All right, so we have several reactions involving amides. Our first is amidation. Okay, so our reaction process is condensation. This is where you form water when combining two organic families. We've seen this process before when we were talking about ethers. Our reaction name is amidation. This is the process of becoming an amide. Now we're going to break this up into primary, secondary, and tertiary amides. And we're going to look at the formation of a primary amide first. All of these reactions must include a carboxylic acid. And so in our example here, we have propanoic acid. And now in order to form a primary amine, it is critical that we are reacting this with ammonia. All of these reactions will have to take place under heat. That will be our reaction conditions. And a slight typo here. Our products will be our amine, so propanamide in this case, and water. Okay, so next we're going to be taking a look at the formation of a secondary amide. Now, just like the first one, we have to start with a carboxylic acid, and so we're going to stick with the same carboxylic acid. We have propanoic acid. Now, in order for us to create a secondary amide, it is critical that we are reacting this carboxylic acid with a primary amine. And again, it's that OH group from the acid that reacts with the hydrogen on the nitrogen that produces our water, and then that's where our amide connection is going to be. Again, this has to be done under heat. Those are our reaction conditions, and so we will end up with our secondary amide, our N-methyl propanamide, and our water. Okay, and now we have our tertiary amides. And again, we are starting with our carboxylic acid. Next, we need to make sure that we are dealing with a secondary amine, right? That needs to be our second reactant. Again, it is that OH group from the acid that is reacting with the hydrogen from the amine to give us our amide. All of our reaction conditions are done under heat. And this is a typo here. But our product will be our amide plus our water. All right, so lastly, just wanted to put a summary together for you. You can see that everything is going to be the same, except for depending on what type of amide we are forming. If we are forming a primary amide, then we are reacting a carboxylic acid and ammonia. If we are producing a secondary amide, we are reacting carboxylic acid with a primary amine. And if we are creating a tertiary amide, we are reacting carboxylic acid with a secondary amine. Again, our conditions are going to be heat. That's true for all of them. And our products are an amide. That's going to be our primary focus, but remember, it is a condensation reaction, so we are also going to be producing water.